Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change the visibility settings of your LinkedIn profile on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here open your LinkedIn account. I'm gonna open via the application. Just tap on this profile and now go ahead to the settings. And after in this settings, just tap on this visibility options, go ahead. And after, you just have to adjust the setting for profile discovery if you wanna change your profile visibility, and here for the public profile visibility and who can see your activity. You can control who can see your profile when they are not logged in, who can find you using your email or your phone number. Here you just have to scroll down for discovery. This is for the email address and for the numbers. And if you want to change for the public profile visibility, you just have to go to the top again and we'll find here edit your public profile. You just have to tap on it and activate the toggle beside your profile public visibility like this, I guess. So for the discovery, you just have to scroll it down again in this visibility options. We'll see here the profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. I'm gonna tap on it and you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like this, I guess, until it's turned green. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.